Hello friends, today we are going to discuss how to create a stock group, stock item and unit of measure for the purpose of stock quantity. Let us start with the discussion. For the purpose of creation of a stock group or a stock item, you have to select inventory info tab from the gateway of Tally. But here you can see that we cannot find inventory info tab. So just press F11, you will see accounting features option, or at the bottom right hand side you can find that F11 feature. Just click on it, select the accounting feature option. You will find the window for the various accounting option. In such, just select the first option under the general tab, that is for maintain accounts only. If here you have selected yes, then you cannot put any inventory record in your company. So just press no here, maintain accounts only, just press no here and save. Press accept. Now you can find that after in account info you can find inventory info. Just select on it. Now you can find the window for stock group, stock item, unit of measure, voucher type, copy allocation detail and a quit. Now if you want to create a stock group, just select the stock group option. If you want to create a single group, just select the create button. Now you can see the stock group creation window. Here you can create your group. Now I am creating group from raw material, that is under primary tab. Suppose I want to create a multiple stock group, then I can select create option under multiple stock group and I can select the all item. Then I can write here WIP under primary, finish goods under primary. So in this way you can create your stock group item. Now suppose you want to create unit of measure for the purpose of your stock item. How to create? Just select inventory info. Under inventory info tab you can have an option for a unit of measure. Just select on it. You can find the option for create. Just create. Now you have to select a symbol. Suppose I am writing here kg. What is the formal name? Kilograms. And number of decimal point 3, that is 1 kilo and 500 grams. So it may have a 3 or a 2 decimal points. Now in this way our unit of measure will be created. Now suppose I want to create a inventory item or a stock item. How can I create? Just go to inventory info menu, select the stock item and select on the create tab. Here I will write my raw material name SS Sparta. Under which group it will come? Suppose it is my raw material, then I will select raw material. Now I have to select here units for the purpose of measurement. So my units will be here appear, that is kilogram. Now I have to select here costing method. I can select various costing method as per the predetermined option given by the Tally. Suppose I am creating here option FIFO and market valuation will be at standard price, large sale price, average price, whatever you can select. You can also enter here your opening balance, that is opening quantity and value for such quantity, and just press enter. Your stock item will be created. Now suppose I want to create a multiple stock item, just go to the multiple stock item tab and press enter on the create tab. You can find multiple stock item creation window. Here you can select all item. Here you can prepare your stock item, under which group your stock item will appear. Same, for example, my stock item SS circle will appear under WIP, then I will select WIP. For under which measurement it will fall, so it is selected kg. You can also write opening quantity rate an amount for this. Suppose I want to create one more item for my finished goods, that is SS utensil. Then I can create the same under the group finished goods, and I can also write kg for the units of measurement, and just press enter. My all stock item will be created. Now suppose I want to check whether my all stock item is created or not. Just same for example, if you are checking a display tab under the ledger or a group option under the account info tab, under inventory info tab you have an option for or stock item display. Just go to the multiple stock item under which you can have an option for a display. Just click on the display and click on the all the item. You can find that all the item which you have created for the purpose of stock item or a stock group. So I have created SS circle under WIP group, SS Pata under raw material, SS utensil under finished goods option, and I have also created the units for measurement, that is kg. So in this way you can create various stock item, your stock group and unit of measurement. And so I hope you will understand and today's concept. In the next video we will discuss another features. Thank you.